Let's make chili paneer. Ingredients are 1 green bell pepper diced, 2 to 3 dried red chilies broken in half, some grated ginger, half a red onion diced, and then paneer. This is about 3/4 of a paneer block cut into cubes. We'll also need soy sauce or coconut aminos, cornstarch, and ketchup. Let's get cooking. Heat up your pan. Add oil once the pan is heated. Let the oil heat and then add in your cubes of paneer. We want to brown the paneer, and I add a little red chili powder and some black pepper. Some people make a cornstarch batter, so they'll put cornstarch, black pepper, and red chili powder, add water, coat the paneer, and then cook it. Browning it like this in the video right here is perfect for me. It's not too crunchy, not too soft, just perfect. So if you want it more crunchy, do a cornstarch batter. If you don't care, just brown it like I'm doing right here. Once your paneer browns, remove it from the stove. We're now going to start making the sauce. For making the sauce, we'll be using the same pan in which we browned the paneer. So just make sure there's a little bit of oil. Add in your grated ginger. If you're adding garlic, you can add that as well. Add your dried red chilies. I broke them in half and removed the seeds, and they were still spicy, but up to you if you want to keep the seeds or not. Add in your red onion and cook for 2 to 3 minutes, and then add in the diced bell pepper. I used green. You could use any color that you have on hand and in the fridge. I just like how green tastes in chili paneer and how it looks. Now add in your soy sauce. You can use dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, coconut aminos. I've tried it all and it always works out perfectly. You'll also need to add in a little water after the soy sauce, and then add your ketchup. Give this a good mix. If you don't have ketchup, you can use Maggi sauce. I've used that often and it comes out delicious. Now the cornstarch that we had, you'll want to add warm water and create a slurry. Slowly start to add that into the sauce and veggies, mixing after you add it. As you see, the sauce and veggies will start to thicken and it will have a beautiful texture and consistency. This is perfect. This is what we need. Now add in your cubed paneer slices. Give this a good mix, and if you have some spring onions, you can garnish that on top. I also like to add some white sesame seeds roasted. It gives a nutty flavor and a nice crunch. Serve this with Szechuan noodles or fried rice. Enjoy!